The Regions My GreenInsights Transactions tool provides a consolidated list of your recent transactions from all of your connected accounts. Here you will see the transaction date, payee, category, account connected to the transaction, and amount. By default, transactions from all of the accounts over the previous 30 days are listed chronologically, with the most recent transactions at the top. You can sort by selecting any of the column headings. You can also filter by account. Simply navigate to Filter Accounts in the menu at the top, checking the accounts you would like to show or hide, and select Apply. You have multiple options for adjusting the date range. Use the back and forward arrows to navigate through time. Use the drop-down arrow to select from a list of preset date range options, or use the calendar view to select a custom date range. When you have the date range you'd like to view, select Apply. Select any transaction to open its details window. Here you will see what the transaction looked like before it was updated to make it easier to read. You will also see the date and category and can add any other relevant details such as tags and memos. Adding a tag will make it easy to search for a transaction in the future. Perhaps you want to track a transaction that was from a trip, needs to be reimbursed, or you wanted to see how many cups of coffee you buy. Select the plus button and add a new tag. Type the name of the tag and select Save. You can also add a memo if there's more information you want to remember about a transaction. When your transactions are pulled into the My GreenInsights Transactions tool, they will be automatically categorized. We recommend going through your transaction history and checking that each transaction is categorized correctly. If the Transactions tool is not certain which category a transaction belongs to, it may be left uncategorized. You can find a list of your uncategorized transactions grouped in a box on the left of the slider bar. Select a transaction, navigate to Category, and select a category from the menu. You will be prompted to either apply this category to this transaction only, or to update all past and future transactions of the same type to the selected category. The Transactions tool has a very robust search functionality. Select the magnifying glass on the right side of the menu and search by any details such as amount, category, payee, and more. You can even export transactions to a CSV file to submit to report for reimbursements or to including accounting software. To export transactions to CSV file, filter your transactions to the set you wish to export. Then select the export icon on the top right. With a view of all of your transactions in one central place, Regions My GreenInsights makes it easier to track and manage all of your accounts